Temperatures did bottom out in the 20s on Tuesday, and then we had a little light freezing drizzle, some ice on Wednesday. So highs yesterday were a nice recovery, allowing us to melt some of that, especially beyond the morning hours. Getting close to 50 degrees in many locations across central Nebraska. Here in Lincoln, got to 48 degrees. Many spots close to 50 degrees within a degree or so through central and southwest Nebraska. Today, similar temperatures, maybe not quite as warm, but it's going to be our warmest day for quite a while. Looking forward into the forecast with, yes, what may be the talk of the town, some light snow chances by next week, and several of them that we may finally have our chance at some snow for the first time in quite some time. As you can see, there hasn't been snow on the ground for quite a while, really, for most of this winter outside of what we saw early on in January. Traffic light fairly on the north side of town, looking at our ABC Seamless camera, with temperatures for most of the state in the 20s. We're at 15 degrees at the Lincoln Airport. You saw a moment ago when we were looking elsewhere across town, temperatures were in the lower 20s besides the airport, but 25 degrees in Omaha, up in Norfolk, as well as over toward Grand Island, 18 in Holdridge and Broken Bow, with some teens as you look a little bit further west as well. There's also a little more wind on the western side of the state compared to eastern Nebraska, so a little bit more of a wind chill out that way. But look at our wind gusts later on today. Plenty of sunshine, going to allow some stronger winds to mix down to the surface. So expecting southeast winds this afternoon to pick up around 25 to 30 miles per hour. Wind chills right now are in the single digits as we're starting out this morning. Single digits right around Broken Bow, Holdridge, and Thedford. Occasionally we feel like the single digits too here in Lincoln, an 8-degree wind chill at this point, but that's only momentarily when the wind is a little bit more noticeable. As you can see, mostly clear skies across southern Nebraska. That is allowing some of those temperatures to cool off a little bit more than what we've seen in northern Nebraska, with maybe a few flurries passing by, but we'll be mostly sunny. You see that activity doesn't last very much longer into the day. We will see clouds increase across eastern Nebraska ahead of our next system tonight, closer to sunset and beyond. A passing system to the north is going to try to drape a front through northern Nebraska, and some light, scattered, quick-moving snow showers into Saturday morning. We may have enough moisture to see this start as some freezing drizzle early on Saturday morning before some light snow tries to mix in beyond 8 a.m. and this all clears the area early on Saturday afternoon with maybe some sun poking out later on. But today, 45 degrees, again, a little evening cloud cover, with those southeast winds gusting occasionally up to 30 miles per hour. Tonight, still breezy in the overnight hours. And again, we may see a little freezing drizzle before a little light snow, but rather small chances and not much moisture coming out of that. A little cooler on Sunday with more cloud cover, but look at how active next week is. There's a look at those light snow chances, especially Monday into Tuesday. And again, Wednesday, we may see some light snow in around Valentine's Day as well.